Hello, my beautiful friends. I wanted to share this moment with you. This extraordinary river, which is so alive, so full of presence. I came to its banks recently seeking peace, renewal, and newness, and as always, I was met with its joyful steadiness, this timeless, loving presence. My love recently told me, relaxation is not laziness. And I've been sitting with that, turning it over gently, learning how to live it. The small self, the inner critic, the ego, it urges us to go faster, to do more, to respond, to perform, to produce. It pulls us from our center and leaves us drained, emptied of our magic. But when we relax, we return to spirit, to the realm where magic lives, where the heart softens and opens wide. We slip into this sacred space, often without even realizing the beauty we're being held by. So today, relax, my friend. Relax into the magic that surrounds you. Relax and open your hands. Receive the gifts that the universe is bringing you, and let it be all that you have been asking for. May this river remind you, you are already whole, already wondrous, and already immeasurably loved.